Lemon balm is a calming herb, so it's really good for managing stress and anxiety. It's pleasant tasting as well, so you can have it as a tea. While it's a really practical herb to have as a tea, if you're out and about, travelling, or you're just not around the fresh herbs, it's a good idea to have a tincture on hand. The Latin name for lemon balm is Melissa officinalis. It's a small bushy perennial herb that grows well in Mediterranean-like conditions. In medicinal healing, we use the newly grown, fresh, healthy leaves. Harvest the leaves in the growing season, which is the spring, summer, and even in the autumn if your plant is still growing well where you live. To make the tincture, chop the fresh leaves and stems into small pieces. I find a bowl and scissors is easiest. For a regular batch, it's 130 grams of fresh herbs, that's 4.6 ounces to 1 cup of vodka with a 40% alcohol volume. That's 80% proof in the US. If you're using dried herbs, then halve the weight of the herbs. I'm making 1/8 of a batch to show you how to make it, as I already made a regular sized batch a few months ago. Place the lid on to prevent evaporation and give it a good shake. Place it somewhere where you're going to see it every day so you can give it a shake, but out of direct sunlight. This lemon balm tincture was made a few months ago now, so it's ready to be sieved out. Always check with your medical practitioner before taking any natural medications or stopping any medications that you're already on. Now, while lemon balm is nice as a tea, it's not so nice as a tincture. Always squeeze the herb so you can get as much of the liquid out as you possibly can. This tincture is ready to be stored in a dark location. It's labelled and it will last at least 20 years, unless I use it all up before then, which I probably will. I'm pretty sure I will actually. I'm going to make up a few dropper bottles as well. These just need to be labelled and then they're ready to use. Lemon balm is a very safe herb. However, I would be careful if I was pregnant using the lemon balm. I'd make it as a tea, but I wouldn't use it as a tincture, mainly because of the alcohol. There are different ways to use the tincture. You can put a few drops under your tongue every couple of hours, depending how stressed out you are, or you can have half a teaspoon twice a day, or you can have half a teaspoon 4 times a day if you're under a lot of stress and anxiety. If you can have the tea, go for the tea. But if it's out of season and you're covered in snow, or you're on a holiday, or you're out and about and you need something, then this is the way to go. If you want to see how to make more herbal remedies for your apothecary cupboard, then check out this playlist. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.